Picgenre, your first task after coming to the website is to open an account here. To open an account, you can click on Get Started or Sign Up. I clicked on Get Started. Then you log in with any valid Gmail. As soon as you open the account, you will get 50 credits. And you will get 50 credits for free every day. And if you want to use unlimited, then you will have to buy any premium package. Then you have to set the API key to generate metadata. To set metadata, click on the dashboard. Then click on Settings, then on Get API Key. Then click on Create API Key. Copy the generated API key, go to the website. Paste the API key in the box and click on the Save button. Then it's time to generate metadata. To generate metadata, drag and drop the files for which you want to generate metadata. Then adjust your metadata settings from the left side. Then select the MicroStock site for which you want to generate metadata. If everything is fine, click on Process Images. Then wait for some time. Another thing is that the smaller the size of the image you upload here, the faster you can generate metadata. When the metadata generation is complete, if you are a premium user, you can keep the generated metadata as a backup. Now download the CSV file of the metadata. Now let's see how to upload metadata to the MicroStock website. For this, upload your desired file to the MicroStock website, then wait for some time. When the file upload is complete, upload the CSV file. For this, click on Upload CSV. Then click on Choose a CSV file. Select the desired metadata. Click on Upload. Then click on Refresh to view changes. Now see, metadata has been successfully added to each file. Now select all the files and select the file type. Tick the AI checkbox. Then click on No. Above all, check the metadata of all the files once. Then click on Submit. Now your work is complete. Thank you for watching the video.